Hello, Ellen's Movie Reviews here. Welcome to a cooking tutorial and stuff, and we're gonna teach you how to make a fish Diablo sandwich right here, and not too hard to make. So let's get started. Here's what you need to make my fish Diablo sandwich. You need cooked fish sticks that I made pre-made. Ground up Cheetos fries, hot. Chipotle sauce, and secret hot sauce. Pretty good for the ingredient. And bread to use for that. So anyway, first step is put some 2 slices of bread into the toaster, like so. Then get in our plate and now we're going to put this fish stick right here, and now we wait for the toast to be done. So yeah, it's gonna be a minute. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, the toast is done. We'll get it out real quick. Okay, put the put the bread on here, like so. Now we'll start with the preparation. First, do the secret hot sauce first to spread it around the bottom of the bread so it's nice and firm. Okay. Next, we'll just add a little bit of the Cheetos hot sauce ground, and so make sure it's ground when you make this stuff. Yeah. Put the fish stick onto the bread like so, and the ingredient is a little bit of chipotle sauce, one of my favorites. Just make sure to get it all squared away down. There we go. Don't want to overkill it. And now we'll just spread this around like so. And just add a little bit of there. A little much, but you can put as many hot sauce as you want. Just pat it down real quick. Next, put this on like so, to put it like down, and then we cut it. And for presentation, and a few popcorn chickens to the mix, with a little bit of fries here, pinch of salt. And you got your Diablo sandwich right here. And for the taste test. Wow. Blooming flavors in this. so hot. It's only like burning sensation in my throat right now. Really good. Now, if you want to make a my fish Diablo sandwich, just let me know in the comments below whether you need a recipe or not, and all that stuff. So, thank you for watching my video. Appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video and stuff, if it was cooking or something else. So, subscribe to videos and all that. Alan's More Reviews, signing out.